Hey guys, Steph here. Greetings from sunny Canada. I'm here to pick up my CK3 Max from Cokima. This unit is specially for BMW. The cool thing is, this is unit number 1. It's not even released yet. I've been using the CK3 Plus on my BMW 1250 for quite a while now. But I'm really looking forward to see what the new BMW version brings to the table. And of course, I came all the way to Canada just to get my hand on this. First impression, a wonderful and nice box. No loud colors, no huge logo. It actually screams quality. On top of it is a welcome message. A really nice touch. It sets the tone. It feels like this is something special and you're not just sold to. And then you have the unit itself. Really nice, compact, sharp, solid, purpose-built. When you hold it in the hand, you feel it is solidly made. It's not too heavy for the bike, but you know it's built to last. Well, there is no flimsiness there. So let's have a look at the accessories. Let's put the unit back and I show you something really cool. And here's the clever bit. All your accessories are tucked away in a box in front of the unit. The packaging tells you everything you really need to know about this product. It's not overstated, it's practical, it's properly thought through. That's exactly what you want from gear you rely on the road. So here it is, the CK3 Max from Cokima, ready to be installed on my motorbike. You know what? I'm looking forward to this one. See you around, guys. Bye.